What's up, I'm Uriel, and today I'm going to show you how to recreate my American McGee's Alice Genderbend makeup with a gore twist. This is really a striking look that doesn't take much. I pulled off the entire costume with things I had laying around the house. Without further to say, let the madness begin. The first step is applying a really light foundation. Today I'll be using Sephora Make No Mistake Foundation and Concealer Stick in the shade 01 Driftwood. Begin by applying the product in a way that allows you to cover your entire face once we blend it out. Now we are going to blend it all out using a wet beauty blender. Add some touches to your ears and your lips so they match the rest of your face better. Drag some of the product into your neck as well. Once we've done this, we're going to set it with some translucent or lightly tinted setting powder. Up next, we will proceed with eyeshadow and contouring. With a warm shade, frame your face by applying it in the border area. Add a little bit on your nose and over your brow bones, trace your cheeks, and sharpen your jawline. After this, we will add some darkness to our eyes with some dark eyeshadows and blending it out with some red. I'm applying some dark brown on the outer part of the eye, and then I will add a little bit of black in the inner part. Now I will add some dark red in the outer part of the eye. We want the eye to look whimsically irritated. Just like that. After that, let's darken our eyebrows with a frowny shape. By setting it with powder, we are done with the first part of this look. Now let's move into the special effects wound. Take out the cards as we will play a little game. With our scissors. Cut as many cards as you like in a way that comfortably suits your factions. I use 4 cards in my case, of course, all from the hard suit. To create the wound, we will prepare latex paste, which is really just a combination of latex and common flour. Mix the 2 components until you get that firm but malleable paste consistency. We just need a little bit. Please be sure not to be allergic to any latex products, especially liquid latex. As well, only use cosmetic degree latex. We are not looking for a real wound here. Put enough of the latex paste on the edge of your card so that it firmly sticks to your face. Once you are done gluing, let the latex dry. Be careful not to put any latex on your eyebrows or any hair. For this final part, we will just have to add some irritation with red eyeshadow and also go a little crazy with some fake blood and a stipple sponge. This is edible fake blood. It is super easy to make as you just need some corn syrup or honey and some drops of red food coloring with some touches of blue and green. In order to make it blend a little bit better, I'm going to use water activated paint and color the latex. After this kind of attack, I don't think that the cards will be in pristine condition, so I'm going to brush a little bit of this red paint over them. Now I'm going to put some little clusters of blood so that it drips and creates some nice looking drops. We are finally done with the makeup. Now we just gotta put on our costume. The costume was as well made up with things I had laying around the house and staple items in our closets. Black striped pants, a white button-up, black shoes. The vest I did have to get it made for me, also with some blue fabric and buttons I already had, but any blue vest might do the trick. And that's it! We are done with the look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Now, go rock Wonderland. Remember, we are all mad